Cohen just drips in explosiveness and huge playability. Over 50% of his runs went for 15-plus yards last year, making him PFF's Pro Football Focus's top breakaway threat in 2017. His nickname is the Human Joystick. Can't get better than that.
Great nickname.
And yet, despite all these playmaking flashes, obviously your favorite boy, John Fox, just completely let him ride the pine, didn't use him nearly to his fullest potential. That will not happen.
1 to 2
Nagy.
touches a game is all he needed.
Awful. And so we got Nagy, who's going to be the absolute pristine play caller for this guy. He's already been lining up all over the field, running inside, outside, coming out of the backfield on pass plays, pass protecting, lining up at wide receiver. They say he's the busiest player in this offense outside of Mitch Trubisky in terms of learning just everything he can go. He's just going all over the
10
place.
seconds.
We had Nagy call him just a pristine route runner. Can you really run routes? He is able to run routes, said Nagy. Huge disadvantage to the defense when you get him on linebackers. Safeties can't even cover him when he's burning deep.